Go. This is the marble. Go to the track. Whoa! Welcome to Prayan's world. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Wow! What's this?
A marble run.
You built it and I also built it.
Yeah.
This is called cardboard. And Sammy slime and the magician makes one also. Look, you can block this entrance and the marble will go. If we block this entrance, it will go here. If we block this entrance, it will go here.
Can you show it again?
It turns in different directions. If you do it straight and the marble will go down, then it won't come. Yes, so which direction do you want to?
The left or the right?
Which is the left or the right?
Where is L written backside? Can you see?
The back side.
Yes, this has a L and an R written here. So if you put it on L, it becomes left, and if you put it on R, it becomes right. So let's put it on R.
Where's R?
Oh, yes, so it turned. Wow.
Now try the marble. So put this marble into.
Here comes the marble. Oh.
It goes the right way. And when you go to the L, it goes this. Dogs.
Now the arrow is on the left. Let's try it again.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button. I moved, and it goes this way.
Yes.
You did do that. What happens when it goes? What? Wait, cross.
If it is in between, it would not go anywhere. You have to put it either on the left or the right. Let's put it on the left, L. So now this is the L track and this is the R. So this is the track which is coming, that's the left track. And if you move it to the R, then this track would come.
Team? Is it clear team?
I'm the blue team.
Oh.
So I have 2 blue marbles and Prayan has 2 clear marbles. Let's see who wins in the marble race.
And the marble race. Let's go. First, it's mine. That is a circle. So, Mommy, do you want to go first or I have to go first?
You have to go first.
Okay. Let's turn the wheel. See the wheel carrying the marbles, and when it reached, it goes around and around and hits the.
Now it's my turn.
Yes, and this means.
So I drop the marble in this and see it goes from here to here, and this wheel then carries the marble. Oh, it's carrying. So who wins? We both are the same. We both are winners.
I think I am the loss. And you're the winner.
Oh yeah, I win.
I put 4 marbles into it. And then they will pass the obstacle.
1, 2.
Oh, I got one. Put one marble in it. Now put 2 marbles. 3 marbles. Please subscribe.